Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today we have a Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is an SRT. This goes for multiple years and models, but I'm going to show you how to change the bulbs in this tail light. So the owner actually wants a new tail light. So here's the assembly. And to get to the bulbs to change, you have to take the assembly out because there they are, and there's no access panel for it. So first thing you want to do is open the hatch and take these pins out. We're going to use a tool like this and take the center pin out. And the pin will come with it. And believe it or not, once we have those pins out, just pull on it, and if there's a grommet in there, yeah, so we want to kind of pull it softly and hit it. Just keep wiggling it. Whoops. Well, that came out real easy. And so there's the assembly here. So we can disconnect it right here from that, or change the bulbs. So we're going to disconnect this. We're going to lift that red pin there, then pull the socket out to change the assembly. And we're going to put the new assembly right in. But if we just wanted to change a bulb, we would disconnect that and then unscrew this. Say you needed this bulb, twist it, turn it out, and then pull the bulb right out. I'm going to put it back in like I'm putting the new one in. And then you plug the wires back in. We already had them unplugged because we were working on it earlier. Plug them back into the right light and then reassemble everything. He's doing it with the new one. Each bulb has a number on it if you look closely. Or you can go to the local supply house and tell them what the bulb is for. If it's for the reverse light, turn signal, or stop light, they'll know what bulb to give you. So he's rewiring it, just plugging it in. Then he's going to reinstall it. And then put the pins back in. It's very simple. That's the wrong one. That's going to be not that one. Take your time. Get it right. Alright, so there is the pin, and it's going to slide into that hole there. There's two of them. So when you reline it up, you get those pins in that's what holds it to that end. The clips hold it in here, push pins, but first you want to test everything to make sure it works before you put it all back together. In case you have a loose bulb, you're going to start it up, put it in reverse, on and on and on. So Joe Beermaster, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, share this video. I kind of did it fast, but I wanted to make it simple because it is simple.
There we are.